Hey, this is Scott with WordPress Freestyle, and today we're going to do probably the most common asked question on the internet, and that's how do I just build a basic WordPress website? When we say basic WordPress website, what I'm saying is most people just want to know how to create a website that's got a home page, an About Me tab, a page or two about the business that they do, and then a contact me form. Most website designers who do these probably one of the most profitable areas of their business because they don't take a long time to build, and it's they charge anywhere from $100 to $500 to create them. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're over here on the website and we've got a clean WordPress install. So the first thing you want to do is go to the dashboard and then Appearance Themes, Add New. And you just kind of look at what they have available here. Let's try this one. So the theme we're going to use is called Sparkling. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Okay. So the next thing that we would want to do is go ahead and set up our pages. And you can set up pages a couple of different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you the basic way here. So the structure is like this. So right now there is no menu and we want a menu. So to create a menu you need pages. So you go to pages, add new pages, and then like I said earlier, you want an about us. Go ahead and publish that, and you want to contact us. And then perhaps the service that you do or what you do. So services. Okay, now that you have, here I'm going to capitalize this, services. Okay, so then when we go to all pages, I'm going to delete this. This is from a previous. And I'm going to do a quick edit on this contact and make it capital. Okay. You can even capitalize that. See if it makes it look more uniform. Okay, and then you just go to Appearance and Menus. and you put all those on there and add to menu. And then I also add the custom link home page. So home, and the home is just the website. So whatever your website's URL is. So, and then the home page would go first, then the about us, then what you do in the contact form. Save menu. Then you also need to go to manage locations. Yeah, we need to go back, because this is under sidebar and I don't want this on the sidebar. I want this as menu 1. Okay. I've used this a number of times for trainings that I've done, so it's not letting me use menu 1. So I'll use menu. Okay. I don't want it as a sidebar. I don't want to confuse anybody, so it's not a sidebar. So menu. Okay. And then the primary menu then would be menu. Okay, then when you go back to your page, we now have home, about us, service, and contact us. Okay. Something's not right with the home page. These kind of things happen, so maybe I typed something in wrong. So we go to appearance and menus. It's missing an S. Okay. Okay, so then we got home. We'll always take you back to home. About us. Services. And contact us. Okay, so that's how you create that. Okay, we want to change this maybe to a business name or our name. To do that, you go to the dashboard and you go to settings, general settings, and there you change my blog to okay, so then that shows up there. Okay, and then so go back here, go back to your pages, Here you can add some different things here. So you can do a picture of yourself. It's too big, but what you can do is this. You can make them smaller. See how that's cool. That's something that they just did with WordPress. You used to have to mess around with it quite a bit. Now you don't have to. So, you can make this as big as or as small as you want just by doing this. Okay, so we got our picture, and then the easiest way to go about is just start typing. So like, now here you can put what you want it to do. So if I want to just have it come down here like this, see how it's showing? It'll wrap around the picture, and that's what I'd want to do. So I'm going to just grab some dummy text here. See how it wraps around the picture. Okay, you could, if this is a heading, you go right here. Okay. Okay. You can edit from here, edit page. And you could add like a YouTube video. So if you had something that showcased what you did, you would just grab that. And it shows up right away. If you want a little text there too, just grab a little bit of text. A little bit. I messed up. Press the wrong button. Okay. Okay. Go back here. So you got your, this is what we do, or this is who we are, this is what we do, and then how to get in contact with us. Okay. So there, you go to plugins, installed plugins, add new. Spelled it wrong. Caldera Forms. Go ahead and install that. Activate plugin. Okay, now you have this. Click on Forms. New form. Okay, so you name the form. Contact us. And then you go to Contact Form. So you click on this menu. So if you want to start completely from scratch, you can do it right there, but I would suggest that you do a Start Contact Form. Create form. Okay, and so this is what it looks like. And you can change any of these fields by going clicking on this, and your details. You go down here and you go tell us more and hit update form, and then it changes down here. Then you have different, you can change the size of these. So if you click these buttons here, then they drop down, so then the name would be the whole thing. If you don't want a piece in there, you can eliminate it. Do you want to remove this? Okay. And then update, and then you preview. Delete out of that. And since I have two of them, I don't know, I might not get it right the first time. So what you do is you go to Contact Us, and you click Edit. Then you go to the form, and it's asking which one. I'm going to assume it's this one. You will only have one. These are ones that I've made up before in other videos. So click that. Hit Update. And when you go back, yeah, you have the one that we have. Okay. Now on the home page, you can have this. Usually what this is your information, different posts you have about your business. But if you just want it to be like a welcome page, you could just edit this page. So edit. And you could say, welcome to our website. Let's just put the go ahead and put this in here. Okay, so here's some information about my business. Okay, hit update. So now what you can do is you can make this the only thing that they see on the first page. That would become your home page, and you do that by going to dashboard and settings, and I believe it's reading. Yeah, so you can have a static page. Oh, it's got to be a page, so that ain't gonna work. Has to be a page. So let's go back. So you could have so go to dashboard. Dashboard, and then you can do your welcome. Okay. So now, actually, when I go to this, that welcome to Scott Schulte Consulting isn't on here anywhere. Okay. So how that shows up as your homepage is if you go to appearance or settings, settings, reading, and then you go to a static page and welcome. That then becomes your home page. Let's see. So you can have a static, and then if you still want to do a blog, you can have your front page be your blog, where just your latest post would be, and that's what it's showing here. So when you go back to reading, it says your latest post. So you could blog. Okay. Oh, I must not have saved it. So like if I was a social media consulting firm, I could write about different things. So, for example, and that would all be under the posts. So all posts. So then if you go back, see the latest thing that you've posted is there. Okay, where if you do it where you have a front page, so that's settings, reading, static front page. Welcome. Then all those posts go away. You can get them on the archive here if you want to do that. Or another way you can do it, and this is the way that I would suggest you do it, is you make a category. You call it blog. Delete all these. These are from a past video too. Okay, so we have blog, and then we have to go back to all our posts, and we have to edit. We can quick edit them to blog. Okay. Then you go to Appearance menu, and you can go to Categories and type blog. You can add that to your menu, probably right in there. Then you go back here and you have your static page that people will see when they come here. And then you have your About Us. This is what we do. Here's our news. Giving content to people. And here is how you get a hold of us. That's it. That's how you do it. If you want to change the stuff that you can do over here, you just do that with widgets. So you could, so like right now, the default is there, so there is a so you could go or let's do this. I mean, you could do this. Let's put quotes. Okay. Just going to copy it so you look. And it didn't work. So neat. They need to go up here. So I had them in the wrong spot. Now it should work. Yep. I might always keep a search on there. So I'll go back to widgets. And then like the footer section, if you have a Facebook page, you could put that on there. There's different ways to do that. But I didn't want to make this video too long, so this was how to build a basic website. So that's about as basic as you can get. So you can, as you can see, you have a couple different options here on the front page. The About Us, your services, you can link out to other places that you've been, or you can add video like I've shown here, or you can add a blog and a contact form. If you want more information on this contact form, I have a video specifically on Caldera contact forms on my YouTube channel. So check it out. Alright, thanks a bunch for checking out the video, and I'll see you next time.